Rio at night time. We're at Copacabana beach. Food crime time. Are you okay? Here we are at a dodgy little Brazilian cafe. Looking into the abyss, you know? It's... Why'd you ask for it if you drop it? Willie's not much of a talker. Good morning. We're on the streets of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. We're going to see what trouble we can get involved in and see what we can find. I've never been here before. I know a bit about the city, but we'll talk about that later. One thing I noticed right away was the vendors here have card machines, which is pretty good. You know, I never saw this in Lima. There's so many times I needed to get cash out. There's another one there. There's a guy having a full-on sleep there. Look at that. But yeah, already a bit different. All right, let's go. So, this is the first thing I've bought. I assume it's Brazilian food, otherwise they wouldn't sell it here, right? It says, I don't know if you can read that. Canja Quente. I'm not sure. But, it looks like carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, chicken, I think. Soup. From the supermarket. They didn't give me a spoon, so I'm just gonna... Oh, and there's rice. So I'm just gonna choke it down. It's good. It's like British stew. It's really good. Approved. Alright. Let's go. Wow. Here it is, look. Look at this little chimp here begging for scraps. There he goes. Look with his goods. He just drops it. Why'd you ask for it if you drop it? He's snacking. Snacking in a tree. Oh, he just dropped it again. Why you keep dropping it, huh? Unbelievable. He's back for more. He's back for more after dropping all the other stuff. How do you call a monkey? No, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. I don't know the ancient art of the monkey call. Monkey, come here. He's like a dog. Look at that. Look at that. Check it out. Look. Look at that. They're jackfruits. Never seen that before. It's so random. Where do you ever see one of these on the floor? There's actually loads of them. Look. Look. It's like a jackfruit forest. Oh, it's so random. Wow. Check it out. Jackfruit. Amazing. No, check this out. What's this? Look at that. Little marmoset. A mini monkey. Mini chimp. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy right now. Look at this. I think this is Brazil's own version of a Star Bar. I think it's the same thing. I haven't had one of these in ages. Best chocolate bar ever. Even if you dip it in a hot tea. It's been so long. Approved, of course. So, what's the beach like at night time? Check it out. Especially Friday night right now. It's not very lively, but maybe there's certain areas for that. But yeah, they turn on the floodlights. Look, you still have your game of pickleball or whatever they were playing, soccer, football. Oh, lots of police right now. Look at that. So, Rio at night time. We're at Copacabana Beach. What is it like? Well, it's 10:30 in the evening. Kind of looks like the day, really. You wouldn't even know any different. Look, people are still selling stuff. There's a doggo, nighttime doggo edition. Yeah, pretty much the same as what we saw earlier, but without the people on the beach. But it looks like you can go on the beach. It's not really closed. There's people over there. Maybe you can go for a midnight swim. But yeah, the bars are open. It's actually more chilled out than I thought it would be. It's way more chilled out than I thought it would be. Like if you go through the neighborhoods, just a lot of things are closed, like the supermarkets, the shops. I think they close around 9, 10, which just leaves the restaurants and the bars open. But the seafront, yeah, pretty chilled. They're playing a little game over there. I imagine during Carnival, February, totally different, obviously. But on an early June Friday night, quite peaceful. Maybe in 3 or 4 hours, it might change a little. I'm not sure. But yeah. Oh. Never hold your phone near a cycle lane because someone might grab it. Don't do what I'm doing. So well, these are some of the restaurants here. People are having a little expensive bite by the ocean. Guy standing on the counter in there. It's alright, isn't it? What, 35? So divide that by 5, $7 for a nice little meal. It's not bad, is it? Wow. Let's just step on the beach, see what it's like at night time. I love beaches at night time because they just, I don't know, the ocean's just totally black. It's like looking into the abyss, you know? It's, I don't know, I quite like it. You get a couple cans of beer, maybe a bottle of wine, or a full bottle of Jack Daniels, you know. But yeah, I like beaches at night. Really nice. Wow. It's alright, isn't it? Check this out. Is he alive? It's a big boy rat, look. Is he? I feel like he's not alive. No, he is alive. Look at him. Look at that big Brazilian rat. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, you look damaged. Oh no, what do I do? I have a Brazilian beer, Brahma. So I think I tried it before. I don't remember. All beer tastes the same, right? It's alright. And old Willie there. Willie's not much of a drinker. He just sits there. He's not really much of a talker. He's not really much of anything because he has no insights anymore. Poor Willie. But that's my buddy for this evening. Cheers, Willie. Cheers. Salute. So check it out. There's lots of portable bars, look, where you can buy a drink. There's a big bar there. That one's super popular. I've already got a Brahma though. It's around $2 from probably one of the most expensive places you could buy it from. So yeah, it's cheap. Oh, check this out. What the heck? Pretty good, isn't it? Jesus. Impressive. Oh, I think they're on a bar crawl. But we can get a free bar crawler. We can just tag along. All gringos look the same, right? Unless I'm the only gringo, then it's a bad idea. Well, we're sitting outside of a restaurant, or like a cafe. I've ordered the lasagna and a burger, very Brazilian. But the guy kicked me out because I had my beer and it's got lots of sand on the bottom from the beach, and he was having none of it. He was like, "Get out of here!" So I've been banished. I've been banished to the outdoors. So yeah, just waiting for some food. It's weird. It's not many places open. I thought this area would be bustling, but here we are at a dodgy little Brazilian cafe, having an Italian lasagna and well, I guess a German hamburger, right? Or a hamburger. It's got a little coconut pressing machine. There's the little cafe. We've got a movie on here. There's the guy that shouted at me. It's not bad, is it? It's nice. It's a nice little area. And there's my lasagna. Look, it's in a bowl. Not bad. So I'm not gonna lie, the beer's hit me pretty hard. I think it's because I've been hiking all day. But I'm gonna commit a food crime right now. Food crime time. Lasagna in the burger. What about that, huh? I think he's jealous. He's secretly jealous. Yeah. What are you gonna say about that? Oops. It's definitely a frozen burger, but it's a frozen lasagna burger. Not bad. I think I've created something here. Oh, that's good. Give it a dip. Try it yourself. Don't knock it till you've tried it. Oh, it's so good.